Okay, y'all, look at this. So this is the faucet, but I don't like the fact that the golds don't match, so I'm about to order a new one of these because the golds don't match. So I'm actually about to take that out because I'm about to put a new one in there. I'm about to order one. It does not match. Okay, y'all, so this kitchen is a mess. Y'all seen the process of getting my new faucet. Yeah, so we got my new faucet, right? You seen that I had the soap dispenser type of thing. It didn't match, so I have another one. Still don't match. So this is the thing that I'm not happy with. The golds in here are off. But I'm gonna say this, the golds look better than having the silver and the gold. So I am pleased with this because I'm not changing my mind. I am pleased with this and I'm not changing it because it's nice and I like it, but the golds are a little off and that's okay. But I have an announcement, you guys. I know you can see I have on my dress with my logo on it, right? I have a lot of clothes that have my HDD All Things Home Decor logo. But my YouTube merch store is all downloaded. So go and get you some Toodles cups. Go and get you some HDD gear. So it is HDD All Things Home Decor with Tangy Signature Collection. It's super nice, you guys. So all of my YouTube subscribers that just love you, girl, and can't get enough of you, girl, go and visit my YouTube merch store. The link is going to be down below in the description box. And it's stuff like this and all my Toodles. You got cups and you got, what else we got? The little shopping bags, and we got t-shirts and hoodies and aprons and stuff like that. So stay tuned for me doing videos in all of my gear because I am getting all of my gear and I'm just not in a place to where I want to wear it right now because I got a lot going on. But anyways, you guys go and visit my merch store. I will have the link down below in the description box. Yeah, for one. So we are just going to really just clean up, put everything back away, and I'm going to show you everything and all that good stuff. I want to clean these cabinets real quick, just wipe them down really quick with, this has been my to-go-to stuff, but no, I got Mr. Clean. I did buy that. And I'm just going to spray my cabinets down. And once I spray them down, I'm going to go in and put all of my hardware up. And I have my new vase and some new flowers and things like that. I'm just going to clean up my kitchen really quick. And that's going to be it. I'm going to take you guys along. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. And before we jump or move any further, let me welcome all of my viewers to the channel. So hi, you guys. Welcome back to the channel. But if this is your first time here, hello and welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. To all of my existing subscribers, my ride or dies, y'all already know that I appreciate you so much. But welcome back, baby, to another jam-packed motivational video. You already know that your support is greatly appreciated. So let's jump into this video. Y'all, I'm so excited. My kitchen looks so good with the gold and white. Honey, y'all go ahead on and jump on that train. That's right, go ahead and jump on that train. But I'm loving it over here. So let's jump into that video, you guys.
Ooh. like the world is on our side. Nothing can bring me down tonight. And ooh, baby, when we're together, you and I, your touch sends chills down my spine. Alright, I got a brand new love you. Take me away, girl, to a new level. It's heaven on earth, on earth. I found an angel. Found an angel. Ooh, baby, people would travel far and wide just to see how your halo shines so bright. Ooh, baby, did you fall from paradise? Wherever we go, I'm on cloud nine, so high. Yeah. I got a brand new love you. Take me away, girl, to a new level. It's heaven on earth, on earth. I found an angel. I found my angel. Come on. I found my angel. Found my angel. I got a brand new love you. Take me away, girl, to a new level. It's heaven on earth. On earth. I found an angel. I found my angel. Come on, I found my angel. I found an
Found myself inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel it. What is left? I What was it worth? I can't take back, I can't stop feeling. How about you? I've been thinking about us and the things you said. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and
y'all. So what I love most about my new faucet is that it is dual. So you have the pot filler, and then you have the sprayer. Really neat, right? I love that. Also, I put the soap in here. Now it's still a little off, but that's okay. I couldn't get it to match perfectly.
If we never met, is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I see you watching me when we're with our friends. It's definitely something in the air. So let's take it from there, 'cause I know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow, grow, grow? I think it's time we stop tipping on our toes. What's holding you back now, sugar? 'Cause I don't know, sure know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it, why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away, no. Yeah. Grow, 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 grow. It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away. Oh, make you.
Y'all, so my daughters bought me some strawberries, chocolate covered strawberries. I ain't gonna lie, I ate all 6 of these myself, and then the next daughter come over here with some more, and I started eating these. I'm like, why would y'all bring me these chocolate covered strawberries? Knowing I ain't lying. I don't care. Nobody said. I had to take a break. This one said the best mom ever. My Mother's Day was amazing, y'all. So I got all the knobs on the cabinets, and I wiped all the cabinets off. But what I'm realizing is that I probably need to get my cabinets painted. But we're not going to do that now, because they're not bad. But I can see, because they was painted maybe about 6 years ago. But I can tell that when I wipe them off, that some of the paint is coming off. And that's okay. But, because if you ever come here and you looking that hard and you can see a little paint coming off, I'm going to be like, damn, you looking hard. But anyway, so I'm just going to wipe down the stove. And I got my new vase, y'all. I got my new vase. I got my new vase that I'm putting out. So I'm gonna put that out. And y'all see me put the other vase over here. Yeah, so I'm gonna move my roses. Actually, one of my daughters bought me some roses, and guess what she come here with, y'all? She come here with the chocolate covered strawberries, and she walk in the door. Hi, Mom! Happy Mother's Day! If she look at this, she know who I'm talking about. I'm talking about Jazz, my baby girl. She talks so proper. Hi, Mom! Happy Mother's Day! Guess what I got you? Girl! And she handed me the flowers. And baby, when I seen that Home Goods gift card, I was like, ah, yes, baby. I was so excited. And she was like, you like the roses? And I was like, oh. I got so overwhelmed, girl, when I seen the when I seen that Home Goods gift card. I was like, ah. But anyways, that gift card not important. And she was, I said, didn't I tell you not to buy me nothing else? Y'all just shower me. All my daughters just showered me for my birthday and my anniversary. And she was like, Mom, I want to give my mom her roses while she's alive. So please, Mom, don't tell me what to buy you. And I was like, you got that, baby. So I kept my mouth closed. Then, right after that, one of my oldest daughters called. And she was like, hi, Mom, happy Mother's Day. And her and all my grandkids was on FaceTime and everything. And she was like, happy Mother's Day, Mom. What are you doing today? And I was like, oh, I'm just chilling. You know, I'm having a good Mother's Day so far. And she was like, well, check your Cash App, girl. Oh, baby, some more dough was running in. I was like, I had a big star on my chest because I'm like, I really raised my girls good to get out there and get that bread, baby. And they really showered their mama with some nice gifts. Then the doorbell rings. Here come the nurse. She say, hi, Mom, happy Mother's Day. I didn't buy you any roses or any flowers because my mom said, that's my baby, not to buy you any flowers because she already bought you flowers and then Poppy bought you flowers. And I didn't want to bring you flowers, but here is a card and some more chocolate covered strawberries. So I look at the card and I'm like, the card was kind of thick, right? This is my daughter that's the nurse. Card kind of thick, right? And I'm shaking because I know something good in it. And I'm like, Mother, from your daughter. Baby, I opened up that card and bow, all the 50s and 100s start falling out. I'm like, yes! Then my oldest girl called and she was like, my oldest daughter, the one that got the business. And she was like, so I'm about to customize your stuff for you and it's for Mother's Day and I'm gonna ship it through the mail. So you guys stay tuned for that. So my oldest daughter owns a party business and she customized a lot of things. So she is doing some things for me. I don't want to give it away, but that was my Mother's Day gift. So honey, my daughters are amazing. And you see that Jaleesa and the nurse, they be showering their mama with, they be hooking their mama up. All my daughters do good by me. I had an amazing Mother's Day. So this is one of the cards that I got. And not to mention, one of my grandbabies, he 14. He Cash Apped me $10. Happy Mother's Day, Grandma. He Cash Apped me $10. I was like, decline. Keep your money, but thank you anyways, butter. But I just wanted to share it with y'all. I had a really good Mother's Day. It was amazing. So that's it, y'all. Let's jump back into the video. Ta-da!
I see you watching me when we're with our friends. It's definitely something in the air. So let's take it from there, 'cause I know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow, grow, grow? I think it's time we stop tipping on our toes. What's holding you back now, sugar? 'Cause I don't know, I sure know you want it. afraid to let it show. And I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it, why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away. Grow, 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 grow. It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away. Yeah. Make a move before someone takes your place. I see you watching me when we're with our friends. There's definitely something in the air. So let's take it from there. So let's take it from there. Why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? And I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? I know you want it. Afraid to let it show. You need it, baby. Why don't we let it? Why don't we let it grow, grow, grow?
Okay, y'all. Y'all remember the new flowers that I hauled? I'm about to, let me move this so y'all can see. I'm about to put my new flowers in here. And I got that white. I might change those, change out some of those over there. Cause that look cream over there.
Why don't we let it grow? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ba-da, 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 ba-da. Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around. And then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around. And then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm not gonna wake up. Who do you think you are? You say you wanna talk, in shallow waters, but it's gonna get you nowhere. And I'm way too good to waste my time on boys like you. Can you speak without a filter? Can you give me something better? I bet you do. Hey baby, if you wanna get to know me, all you gotta do is take me to your heart, yeah. Hey baby, if you want me to be with you, all you gotta do is take me to your heart, yeah. Come on, give me something real, doesn't have to be ideal, just a part of you that's honest.
I'm a vacuum and I'm a mop, and then I'm gonna show y'all a quick reveal. Y'all already seen this space already, but I want y'all to see how it looked with the new knobs and my new other decor. I like it. So we gonna please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and like, share, and also leave me a comment. I would love to chat with you guys. Toodles!